Welcome to the School of Engineering and Computer Science here at Victoria University of Wellington. My name is Alf, and I'm going to take you and show you some of our wonderful student creations to give you an idea of what life is like as an engineering student here at Victoria University.
Hey, I'm Kieran Carnegie. I'm doing my doctorate here as part of the computer graphics program, and I'm working with this little device here, the Oculus Rift, which is an interesting device because it has a pair of screens, one for each eye, sits on your face, and completely replaces reality as far as you can see. So my research is based on how can we change the rendering, how can we make it more realistic, more lifelike, less sickening, and stuff like that.
Behind me you can see our three National Instruments Robotics Challenge robots, Michelangelo, Bolt, and this year's entry, Triangle. Triangle is shaped like a triangle, hence the name, but his challenge is to be a small-scale version of a robotic shipping crane that you'd have at a wharf to actually pick up shipping containers and move them around. And all of our first years actually build slightly smaller versions of these robots in their first year papers here at Victoria with me. We're here at our Sonic Arts Robotic Instruments demonstrations, and in front of me we've got 6 different robotic versions of string instruments, from big things like cellos all the way down to little things like violins. They're all controlled by this iPad, and by playing different notes on the iPad, you're making each robotic string instrument play its own unique note.
This is a mechatronic speaker system that I've designed and built. So it's about being able to change the angle of the speaker so that we can allow sounds to reflect through the room in different patterns.
We live in a world where we have lots of different ways of dealing with computers and technology, but we like our students to explore, to try new ways of interacting with computers. And this thing here is our multi-touch screen table. It allows lots of people to play with the same computer at the same time. It can track 35 different fingertips and use them to do anything. All of these are the kind of things we like our students to play with.
So on my shoes I've got battery pack, the LED lights, a step sensor to tell when you're stepping, and also the Flora board, which is programmed with Arduino, and I learned Arduino in my first year here at Vic.
This is our Tesla coil, which is set up for a musical appearance. Basically we're sending MIDI notes to it, and the note depends on the length and the brightness of the spark, which breaks out, and that gives us the noise.
Now you've seen some of the exciting projects our students are involved in and how the learning environment at Victoria sets them up for the future.